Good afternoon, Conrad Venti with Landmark Mortgage. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2009. I just wanted to send a quick message now that we have the minutes from the Federal Reserve's committee meeting today. They had a two-day session in which they discussed the economy at whole and some forecasts for 2010. With the last meeting of the year, it's important to know that they've announced they're going to keep the federal funds rate between 0 and 25 basis points. One of the biggest topics that comes up when we talk about the Federal Reserve funds rate being so low is inflation. And in their minutes, they actually stated that they think that they have a very strong control over the inflation at this time. They said that there are going to be some subdued inflation trends and that they believe that they have a stable outlook on inflation at least through 2010. Now, obviously, they can't keep those Fed funds rates that low forever, so at some point throughout 2010 or towards the end of 2010, we'll likely see those begin to rise. As those begin to rise, they probably won't be in small increments. We'll probably start to see them chunk up. But again, these meetings are common throughout the year, and they will be making announcements in pertaining to those rates as the meetings progress. One of the biggest announcements for the housing market and for real estate and mortgage in our community are interest rates right now. And what are those going to do? One of the biggest hands that the Federal Reserve has had in controlling our mortgage rates throughout 2009, beginning in the end of 2008, now continuing to 2010, has been the mortgage-backed security purchases by the Federal Reserve. They allotted $1.25 trillion, and that will begin to fade out now in the beginning of 2010, and they have a cutoff date of March 31st that will end. And effectively, that dropped rates almost a full percentage point throughout all of 2009, and we can hope to see that can stick around for the first quarter, but after that, we will see rates rise. So if you have friends, family, or clients that are thinking that they need to refinance or purchase, now would really be the time, because we may not see these rates this low again for a very long time. Just bringing you some news on the Federal Open Market Committee today. You can check in more on the mortgage market and real estate industry here in the Salem area at conradventi.com. Have a great day.